Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about Instagram application, and I'm about telling you the way how you can turn off the red receipt on Instagram. So basically, red receipt is the informations that got by the receiver of the message whenever the message that they send is already seen or read. So if you want that, keep those all private so that no one's gonna know who watch or who read the message. So you just need to do this instead. Open your Instagram and open your profile, and then go click these three straight lines on the top right corner, and then you just need to go with settings and privacy. Now you just need to scrolling down until you found who how others can interact with you box right here, and just visit message and story replies. And please take a look at the second box that will be show red receipt. Just go click it, and if you want to turn off, you just need to go click this button until the color is just changed from the blue or green to gray, and then your red receipt is already off. So whenever you read someone else's message, they will not gonna know that the message is already read by you. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully this tutorial today is help you so well, and I really expect that you can meet again into other tutorial.